This video provides step-by-step instructions so you can learn how to file to an existing case using TrueFiling. We'll show you how to upload your filings, which includes details on how to locate your case and select the filer. Select your service recipients and the servicing methods you'll use, and then how to submit your filings to the court. Filing to a case is simple and intuitive. Here's how it works. To begin, select File in the navigation pane. The initial process takes just 3 steps. Select your court. Specify the filing action. You can file to an existing case, or you can initiate a new case. Locate the case you want to file against. Input part or all of the case number or case title, and click the search icon. Select the case, and click File to this case. Click within the Filer field to select your filer. The filers listed are either registered TrueFiling users with assigned user roles that you're connected to, or yourself, registered as a TrueFiling attorney, court reporter, or pro se filer. If the filer you want isn't listed, click Don't See Your Filer. If you need to connect with the registered TrueFiling user so you can file on their behalf, click View Connections. You'll be redirected to the Connections pane on the Settings page, where you can send a connection request to that user. Please view our Manage Your Connection Network video for complete details on connecting with other users. If you want to file on your own behalf, you'll have to specify a user role that will be associated with your login credentials. View our TrueFiling User Roles video for details on specifying a role. Select the filer. If your firm requires a client or matter number, input it here. If you want to file the filing document with the court, ensure File Document is selected. If you deselect this option, it's important you understand that your filings will not be submitted to the court. If you want to serve the document to parties of interest for the case, ensure Serve Document is selected. If you select this option, you'll need to specify service recipients. We'll cover that in a bit. Next, upload the documents you want to submit to the court. You can upload documents in these file formats. To upload your filing documents, click the box and select the file to upload from the dialog. You can select multiple documents to upload together. Or, from File Explorer, you can drag and drop the documents. A green check mark is displayed in the Upload Status column to indicate the document was uploaded. If needed, you can edit the filing name. Select the filing type for the uploaded document. The fee associated with that filing type is listed in the Fee column. A court may be configured to allow filer-provided fees. If such fees are enabled, one or more special filing types will be available in the Filing Type field drop-down list. If you select that filing type, you'll have to input the amount to pay. If you want to add a note that will be sent to the clerk, click the Edit button. Click Add Note. A pane is displayed where you can add the note. If enabled by the court, you can also apply a sealed or confidential attribute to the filing. Click the Edit button again to retract the pane. If you want to view your uploaded document, click the View button. Your document will display in a separate browser window. Upload more documents if you need to. A court may be configured to connect or merge uploaded filings. For details on these processes, please view our Connect Filing Documents and our Merge Filing Documents quick videos. If you selected to serve the document, the Select Service Recipients pane is displayed. Here, you'll select who you want to serve and what service method to use. By default, existing case contacts and the filer are listed as service recipients. For each recipient, select how the filings will be served. The court determines which servicing options are available. Be aware, if you select mail service or personal service, you are responsible for serving the document. True Filing won't perform the service. You can add service recipients as well. You can add yourself or a connection. This recipient will also be added as a contact for the case. Click the Add Myself Connected User button. A dialog listing yourself and your connections that aren't recipients for this filing bundle is displayed. Only people that have accepted your connection requests are shown. If needed, filter the connections listed by entering the name or email address of the connection you're looking for in the filter field. Locate the connection to add and select the checkbox. Click Add Selected. If the court uses verified and standard contacts, this dialog is displayed after you select Add Selected. This dialog provides details on verified contacts. Specifically, a verified contact is one that has been added as a party on the case in the clerk's CMS, has successfully filed a document on the case via True Filing, has been accepted by the clerk as verified. Click OK to close the dialog. The recipient has been added to the case as a standard contact. Once the clerk accepts the verification request, the contact will be identified as verified. If that request is rejected, the contact will remain a standard contact. A court may be configured to restrict how a standard contact will view a verified contact within True Filing. In such a court, a standard contact will view a verified contact's information as redacted. Note that if the court isn't configured to classify contacts as standard or verified, the selected connection is simply added as a service recipient and is not identified as standard or verified. Please view our Case Contacts video for details on verified and standard contacts. Also read about them in our True Filing Help System, which is available within True Filing. Ensure the correct service type is selected. A court may allow only eServe. The checkbox is selected by default. You can remove a connection as a recipient before you submit your filing bundle to the court by clicking the Remove button. This button isn't available after you submit. A court may allow you to add other counsel as a recipient. They too will be added as a contact to the case. Click Add Other Counsel. Input their name, first or last, attorney number, or email address. By default, any person registered in True Filing will be included in the search results. To search only for True Filing registered attorneys, ensure the checkbox beside Attorneys Only is selected. We want to search for all user roles, so we won't select the checkbox. Click Search. Locate the counsel to add and select the checkbox beside their name. Click Add Selected. Again, if the court uses verified and standard contacts, this dialog is displayed after you click Add Selected. As with adding a connection or yourself, the recipient is initially added as a standard contact. When you click OK, a request will be sent to the clerk to classify this recipient as a verified contact. If the court isn't configured to classify contacts as standard or verified, the selected counsel is simply added as a service recipient and is not identified as standard or verified. Ensure the correct service type is selected. The checkbox is selected by default. You can remove the counsel as a recipient before you submit your filing bundle to the court by clicking the Remove button. This button isn't available after you submit. A court may also allow you to add a service recipient for this filing bundle only. This person won't be added as a case contact to the case. Click Add Recipient. Input the recipient's name and email address. Their role will default to ad hoc. The checkbox is selected by default. Select the service type. If you select eServe, this person will be served when the filing bundle is submitted to the court. If you select mail service or personal service, input their mailing address instead of their email address. For this service type, you'll be responsible for serving the documents. If you don't want to submit your filing bundle now, you can save it and return to finish it later. Click the Save Progress button. When you want to access your saved bundle, access the History page and select the Unsubmitted tab. Locate and select your saved bundle. If you want to delete your saved bundle, click Delete Bundle. If you don't want to access your saved bundle at this time, click Cancel. Click Open Bundle to return to the Upload pane and continue your work. When you're ready to submit to the court, click Next. Your filing bundle is validated. Click Next. The fees for all filings are listed. You can request that the fees associated with your case be waived. The court you're filing in must permit fee waivers, and the court determines which waiver options are available. Please view our Request a Fee Waiver video for details. If no credit cards are listed, you can add a payment account. Please view our Manage Your Payment Accounts video for details. Select the appropriate payment account, which can be a credit card, or depending on court rules, an escrow account or an interagency transfer account. Click Submit. A submission confirmation dialog is displayed. Click OK. Once your filing is submitted, it will be listed on the History page under the My History tab. When the court receives your filing, the clerk will review it and either accept or reject it. If it's accepted, the clerk will file it and it will become part of the official case record. You can then download a filed stamped copy of the filing for your records. If your notification settings are appropriately set, you'll be notified via text message or email when your filing has been accepted or rejected. Please view our Manage Your Notification Settings video for details. Please refer to these videos for more information.